I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 18 of July Postcard Play hosted by Carrie Griffiths. It's been a lot of fun. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we have got day 18 going. Here's my jelly print. I really like how that turned out. And I fell in love with these owls that was in that cut and collage book I've been using so much of. So I'm going to add this kind of as a background. And I'm just going to add my owls on top. And I've got this Tracy Fox label. And I believe this is one also. And I've got my 1818. Can't get more 18 than that. Alright, so let me get my paper down. Well, my day's been going pretty good. I can't complain. I've got a few videos under my belt. Had to get up early. My son had to get up early to go to work. So, I've been up since 2:30. And it is probably about 6:30, 7 o'clock now. I don't have a clock where I can look at easily. It's hard for me to get up those mornings, but when I do, I get so much more done. Because my husband gets off work at 10 in the morning because he works at night. And so I don't do as much when he's at home. But sometimes it's just so hard for me to get up so early. But when my sons have to be at work, I don't have a choice. So can't let them get up by themselves. Alright. Now let me get this down. I thought this would look nice in a fall journal. Okay, now I want to add. I've already inked everything. I just happen to have these two labels on my desk, and I didn't round my corners. Let's see. Let me see if I can pull that off before I end up not being able to. Like I say, you don't have to round the corners, but I've rounded all the others and I like the look. Okay, once again, glue this down. Scooch her up just a tad. Let me get this one down. I like the shape, just kind of break that up a little. Let's see, I want to stagger it down a little bit. I don't think I got my owls down far enough. And my number 1818. Alright. I know I want to ink around it. And I think I'm going to add some gold splatters. Oh, I need to trim as well. Bowl here. I think that's pretty. Okay. Go around this. And I really want to say that I have really gained a lot of new subscribers, a lot of encouraging subscribers, and my regular ones are so encouraging as well. I'm a very blessed YouTuber, And it means so much to me. When y'all subscribe and leave, comments and things, it just does my heart good. I appreciate each and every one of you, both new and the ones that's been around a while. I love you all. Oops. Okay, now I want to add some gold splatter. I'm going to go with this medium one. Okay. Now I'm just going to we're just going to splatter along. Well, okay. Now I'll call this one done. I hope you like it. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel at Carrie Griffiths. I have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay. And that's spelled with G-E-L-Y. So until next time, bye y'all.